It was extremely exciting. I felt that because we wouldn't see anything. We'd fly down the stairs and we'd sit on the landing early in the morning, could be 6 or 7 in the morning, and then we'd hear noise in my mum's bedroom and we'd fly down the stairs. Oh, Santy's come, Santy's come. That's what I remember more than anything, and that went on for years.
It was a very nice time indeed. We just all waited for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Everybody went to Mass and came back, had their breakfast, opened their presents.
When I was very young, I got a little bicycle of Santy, supposed to be Santy.
We didn't fuss over everything because we didn't get it, you know. We got fruit and an apple, maybe an odd tie.
And I always had to have a stocking. That was a must. Whether there was much in it or not, we didn't care. But our Christmas stocking had to be a must.
Well, I asked for the same present every year, a doll and a pram. That's what I always wanted. And I was thrilled when I got it. And one particular year I remember the doll, if you bent her forward, she'd say, Mama.
Well, I think the important thing is I never went anywhere that first thing in the morning going to Mass. And I always thought, well, the good Lord will be good to me. You know, he'll look after me well if I went to Mass first and then opened up my presents, which we all did in the house. We never opened a present before we went to Mass. and I'm inclined to be like that now.
I liked it, it was very nice. I was very young then. I had, my hair done.
Well, it didn't start as early as it does now. You know, the shops and all that, dress the windows and all much earlier than we did.
It's very commercialised, I think. It must be very, very hard on mothers and fathers that are just barely getting by, you know, because how can you say no to a child if they ask you for a present? It's very hard. Sometimes it's hard to say no to a big person, but to a child, it's very, very hard.
Well, I don't know. I think they have a lot to be thankful for, and it's nice to have peace and not war.
There are 4 corners on your bed. There are 4 angels over your head. Matthew, Mark, Luke and John. God bless the bed we all lie on. Do you like that?
I do. Did you have to, is that a prayer that you had to do?
Very nice, isn't it?